Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon. This video is going to be about how to create a trading journal. I got a lot of inquiries about how to make one, so let's jump right into it, guys. So a trading journal is just basically a journal or a diary of your trading. And the most important thing that I tell people about trading is keeping accountable about your actions in trading. So let's jump right into it. So here's our Excel spreadsheet. I'm on Google Sheets. And we're going to name some things off, and we're going to do a freeze arrow for line 1. If you don't know how to do that, all you got to do is grab this right here and take it up. Okay? So we're going to name trade. So it's going to be like USD, JPY, whatever it's going to be, oil, whatever your currency pair or commodity is going to be. Okay? Or stocks. Same thing. You know, this is just education only and video for helping you guys out. So you can use it for anything. Stocks, forex. So let's jump into it. What type of order type? Was it a buy stop, market entry? How big was your stop? Order number. So if you do multiple orders, like to say you put in 4 market entries or 3 market entries, then you can record them. You can add more or less depending on how you trade, your profit or loss on them, and the reason why you entered and exit the trade. So let's do this right here. We're gonna go to crude oil for an example. Oh, let me delete that. So look, we're looking at a trade. We're going to propose that this trade here is that we're going to propose that this trade is going to go up, and we're going to do a sell limit. Okay. So we're going to do a horizontal line, and we're going to do a sell limit here. Now I'm not saying the price is going to go there, just for an example. Okay. So we're going to do a sell limit at this price, and we're going to do a text right here. And for me, when I write down notes on my trades before I enter and exit, just to plan my trade out. All right, so we're gonna do sell limit. We're gonna do 2 orders. All right, 2 orders. Lot size, say 0.10, right? And stop at say 30 pips. Okay, cool. So when we put, that's our 2 orders in, and we're gonna do basically, if you're a MetaTrader, you'll just right click in, do like a sell limit, sell stop, and do that twice. Okay. Now there's reasons why I'm doing 2 different orders, but for this example, we're just gonna go with it. Okay. Our stop's gonna be 30 pips, so it's 51.94. 51.94 plus 0.3 equals 52.24. That's our stop. Alright, 52.24. Up. Right there. So, what we're proposing is that price, at some point in time, is going to... let me get my arrow. Going to go, to say it's going to go to this price here, and engage this order, and hopefully, just based on this example, it reverses very fast and goes back down. Just say it goes down to this base level here. Okay, this resistance level. Just an example, okay? So when we're looking at the example, our risk is 30 pips, right? So we're trading about a dollar per pip, 30 pips. That's $60. $30 times 2, $60. So if it hits this, if the trade reverses on us and doesn't hit this area, we'll be out of the trade by 30 pips. See right here? All right. So right here, 30 pips. So if it hits this line, we'll be out 30 pips times 2. We'll be out 60 pips, 2 orders, and that's $60. And if we are right here, if let's say the trade reverses on us, I'm sorry, if the trade goes in positive, we'll be at a positive. So how many pips are we going to be positive at? Let's check. So let's say it hits, let's say this number 5102. So how many pips is that? So we just do 51.93, our entry level, minus 51.02. That's 91 pips. So if it hits this target profit, right, we're going to put that in there. We'll put, so TP is 91 pips times 2, because 2 orders. And we'll make $91 per trade times 2, right? Pretty easy. 91 times 2 is $182 on trade. Okay. So what we're going to do is put this information into our trading journal. Okay. So what is that? We're trading crude oil. Okay. Our order type is what? Sell limit. Stops 30 pips. Order is going to be 51.93. Our profit, once the trade takes place, we'll put that in there. Our loss, if it takes place. All right. So, but our reason is going to be enter. So you can say, I am entering on this trade for a reversal. I am risking 30 pips for each order, and my gain for each order is 91 pips. So if it extends, all you have to do is go through here and hit this right here. See? 91 pips. You wrote down that because it's important, because it keeps you accountable. Now, when you're looking at this chart, the reason why you want to do it is if you want to put here, put a winner / loser, and if to say this trade was 100% correct, we got out at the right price, we got out at 51.02, so 51.02, and say 91 pips, so we made $91. $91. So it hit exactly on. Okay. What we do is put a winner right here. So, and what I do is change it to a different color, because what you want to do is when you go through your trades, you want to start looking at, like, to say a whole line of trades right here, right? You'd be like, okay, so this trade was a winner, this trade was a loser. Why did I lose? Let me re-examine all the things that I did. Oh, and I forgot to put in one thing. Insert to the left. Date of the trade. So today is the 12th, 02/12/2020. See? Sell limit 2020. You guys put your information in, and that's why you guys can keep accountable. So this is how you do a basic trade journal. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please contact me, and try to contact me or support staff, and I'll get back to you guys. Have a wonderful day.